Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm here at Gawley Plastic Surgery today. I recently had the miraDry treatment done by Dr. Geoghegan, and the reason I did this treatment was because I've had a real problem with excessive sweating only under my armpits. And not that I'm happy to say this, but it would get a little smelly in the pit area as well. And I've always been on the search for the miracle cure for my armpits. So I've tried many different clinical strength deodorants. I've spent thousands on different treatments that just have never worked. So this is usually just one treatment needed, and so far my results have been amazing. I wake up in the morning, it does not smell anymore. I can run around, run errands all day. I don't get sweaty armpits. I'm not ruining my clothes, which was another thing. I would have to send most things to the dry cleaner, which costs a lot of money. So, so far I've been thrilled. The first day, they were numb. I woke up in the middle of the night. I iced them like Dr. Geoghegan told me to. I iced them in the morning. And probably for the first few days after I had it done, I would apply an ice pack in the morning. They're slightly swollen, but nothing too uncomfortable. And it's been it'll be 2 weeks tomorrow, and I'm absolutely thrilled, and I would highly, highly recommend it to anybody who is considering doing anything for excessive sweating and stinkiness. Like I said, I would do it all over again. I'm absolutely thrilled, and thank you, Dr. Geoghegan. I appreciate it.